Shaka, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a stencil set that I received or that I purchased from the ton stamps.com, and you can see that maybe there. Let's see if it'll focus on the web address. If not, there it is. The ton stamps.com. And the stencil is called Rose Blossoms Layering Stencil. And these are the panels that it makes. And so I'm going to cut some of these down to use them for backgrounds and some Happy Mail. But let me show you how this works. So there are 6, I believe, stencils. Yeah, 6 stencils here, and you do one at a time. So I have added some washi tape to the back of my panel that I'm going to use. I will lay the stencil over. Let's see if I can get in frame and do this. So here we go. I have the washi tape on the back of the panel that I'm going to do, and then the first layering piece I'm adding on it, and then I will use some washi tape to hold it in place where I want it. I'm gonna choose some colors. I have these rubbernecker, what are these called? Dye inks, and that's what I've been using to make the panels. So I'm going to do a pink with some green leaves and maybe maybe the purple. Okay, so I've already got some blending brushes that I've been using. Since we're doing the pink, you want to start off with the lightest color and just circular motions add it. I don't worry about getting even coverage. I like the look of how it's darker to lighter, or like darker in some spots, lighter in some other spots. You just want to get some color down. Sorry, I know I'm probably shaking the camera. Then, so we got that down. Peel away this. We're gonna add the second layer to these flowers, and you want to have the darker pink for the second layer. So this was the first one I used, so I'm going to use this one here for the darker part of this flower. And this I kind of want to get even. Just work in a circular motion over the exposed parts of the stencil. So that's that flower. Then we have another flower that we need to have to figure out. There's the lineup. To line them up, And this one, I want to use the other pink.
So we'll start with the light again.
Whoops, you don't want that to happen. But if it does, you can move it right back in its spot. Okay, then we want the darker shade for this flower. For the next layer, and the darker shade is this one here. So that's that one. And then you'll need the leaves. And I'll have to get new tape because my one tape is not working well. So let me just get one more tape. So now I need a green. This is the green I'm going to choose. And I already have a green brush. The green, I like the different shades you can get. See around here is darker and lighter there. So just making sure I got all the open stenciled areas. So the green is done, and then we should have one more flower piece to do, and that's these little, I think they're wisteria, I'm not sure what they are, but I will need to pick. I think we're going with a purple on those. It also has the centers of the flowers on this stencil. And those I want to make darker. So I'll go over them a few times to make sure the ink gets in that stencil. But that's the last layering piece, and so when we take this off, we'll have a ready to use panel we can cut down and add to a card. Let's see how this looks. And there it is. Yeah, so the stencils are they give a great effect, and they're so easy to use. I love it. Let me just show you my different panels I've made so far, and I'll be back to make some cards. So stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!